Alright, so what I decided to do is just use a computer case underneath the platform itself. Only thing is, I think I'm going to change the power supply. I got one of these a few years ago. I think I was going to use it for this or something else. Don't remember. However, I think I'm just going to go the easy way here and get me a good old-fashioned computer power supply in here. Of course, I'm going to have to rearrange because the power supply goes here. I have to rearrange this a bit. So how do I want to do that? Do I just want to spin it around that way? Or spin that around in the back? Let's see what we got here. There we go. Right. So if I spin that around like that, get this on the front, I can definitely use some holes or get some switches to mount in here or some face plates or something. This could, yep, that'll come out. Just take that out. And I can get one face plate, bolt it in, screw it in, whatever, self-tapping screws. But at the very least, this guy can go somewhere is that here? Here we go. Take those screws out. They're already in here. Put them in there right. So, and the next trick, of course, will be to get this wired in here. And get these off the breadboard and get them onto a perf board or something. Hardwire, well, change out. The capacitors need to be used, but mount that on the board, on the perf board as well. And we'll get actual screw terminals hooked up in there. And right now, this guy here need to be plugged in here, but evidently I need to get hold of some male-to-male jumpers. So we'll see what happens.